Well, the Uber CEO just announced that they're raising rates for drivers. So please thumbs up the video. I'm gonna show you the clip and we're gonna get into it together. But please, before I get started, sign up for Solo with the link below. When you sign up, they're the business app for drivers. They're gonna send you $15 just for signing up and you're gonna get started. Link your gig account and you get access to mileage tracking, you get access to guaranteed pay, in federal tax projections, and they're basically just gonna help you out, and you're gonna be able to sign up for shifts if you want and make sure you get a lot of money. And you can sign up to get free access with our link. And again, you're gonna get 15 bucks when you sign up for Solo. All right, let's get started. So this is an interview with Harry Campbell from the Rideshare Guy. 121,000 subscribers, dang, he's beating us. Guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel, okay? We're not even at 100,000 yet. This is laughable. He's absolutely smoking us. And he's interviewing the Uber CEO. But yeah, he just asked him a question about driver earnings, and let's listen to this.
To know, right?
Yeah.
But if we don't use that per mile and per minute, it's sort of hard for drivers to know, right?
Yeah, I mean, there's no question that the driver revenue is healthy compared to where it has been historically, and prices that...
Here we go, my friends, listen up. This is where he says driver pays increasing.
Has been passed along and more to, driver revenue is healthy compared to where it has been historically, and prices have increased for an Uber ride, and that has been passed along and more to drivers, which is totally appropriate based on the environment.
You guys hear that? He says cost of rides are increasing and they're passing that on to the driver.
As a essentially small business owner. Right?
So there you have it, my friends. Let me know your thoughts on this. But I mean, I don't know. Comment down below. And I'm gonna put, he better be putting his money where his mouth is, because I'm going out and driving for Uber. My car is finally getting repaired on the 15th, which is let's see, that is on Monday. Monday, my car's going to the repair shop. As soon as it gets out, I'm getting it inspected, and I'm driving for Uber and Lyft again. So, all right, guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. Sign up for Solo with our link below. You can get signed up really quickly in 2 minutes. And again, they're going to be sending you 15 bucks just for you signing up with our link. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye now.